My name is Jessica Belisario, and this is my final project presentation for Synthesis. About my client, Bella Pizza has multiple locations around the Cleveland area. They have been in business since 1977, and I am only focusing on the West Park location. Each location is in charge of their own marketing and promotions. So the visual communication problem here is that Bella Pizza knows how to produce quality food, but they are lacking in their digital marketing areas and some branding. Bella Pizza has no website currently or social media presence. No distinct branding. They use the same script for the Bella and Bella Pizza, but nothing that really stands out. And they've had many requests for a website from what I hear from my client. Desired conditions would be to become available online through a website and social media, mainly Facebook for now. Drive web traffic instead of always print. Market to customers through Facebook, creating an identity on social media websites. Gain new customers and to keep the current ones. So goals and objectives would be to create an online identity. And I just think that's very important because nowadays, really promoting yourself and getting your name out anywhere is really important, especially through the internet. To design and develop a fully functional website, to create a distinct brand that Bella Pizza can utilize on any further marketing, and to really utilize those digital marketing efforts that will be made. So I broke down the solutions and tasks for each deliverable. The website was my main deliverable, so I determined what the client was looking for in a website. I do believe that's very important because you always want to satisfy the customer. Established a budget, even though I didn't really charge my client. It was just great to know how much it would have really cost if I was getting paid. Choose a hosting website. Conduct market research on trends for websites. This was really important to me because I really wanted to see what worked and didn't in the industry. So I learned a lot from that. Develop website sketches, compositions, coding the website using HTML and CSS. Distinguish a brand from the website design that I created. I took pictures, advertised the new website, and then had a critique and evaluation. For the Facebook page, I created an active Facebook page for Bella Pizza, connected users on another level, encouraged users to go like the Facebook page. I developed an advertising strategy with my client because she knows pricing and I wanted to see what she wanted to offer to individuals through Facebook. I did my sketches, sent out advertisements specifically for Facebook, and then I documented how many customers actually used that specific coupon because I felt it was really important to see if the Facebook advertising was working. For the business cards, I referred to the website and utilized the same design techniques to create a cohesive unit. I drew up some sketches, presented the sketches to my client, and I created those business cards as well, gaining feedback. So this was what I started off with my website after I created my compositions. I kind of wireframed it using coding. I wasn't worrying about colors or content right away. I just wanted to get the layout down. And then this was the final product. I kind of had the header on top. I think it's important to have the the phone number and the address stand out. And then I kind of had it about me for the front page, hours, and a subscribe to email button. This is the Facebook page. I had 315 likes already, and I'm kind of hoping to get more. I think it's a great start, though. These were one of the advertisements. This was for a Lent special, try to get people to come to Bella Pizza on Fridays, maybe instead of a fish fry. And these offers were worked out with my client. This was a business card. So as you can see from Facebook, the advertisement, and the business card, we have all the same look. And this will be the branding that Bella Pizza will be sticking with. I forgot to include the Facebook link at first on the business card, so I added that in. Some lessons that I learned are project and time management. It was really difficult at first working on this project just because we're all still in school, so I was trying to keep up with all my other classes while consistently working on this client project. I learned that understanding your client is really important because you're doing this for them and you want them to be happy with the outcome, especially if they're paying you. Communication is key. I think it's very important to be in constant communication with your client just to have updates and make sure that everything is running smoothly. I think surveying and gaining feedback is really important. At first, I was like, well, I don't really want to, survey all these people. It's going to be so much work. But even though it was a lot of work, I realized designers are constantly looking at their work, and sometimes they overlook things. So sometimes it's just nice to get a fresh pair of eyes and see, what you can change about your project. I also realized market research is not really a waste of time. In previous classes, I had to do market research, and I'm just like, I just want to design. But I realize it's important to see what works out there and what doesn't work out there, because, we all learn that it takes only a few seconds for someone to decide if they want to stay on your website or not. So I feel like searching the market was really important to me. In conclusion, this project was very time-consuming, but I would say a very positive experience. I am now confident and happy that I was able to experience a client project before stepping out into the real world. And lastly, I feel like I have a great portfolio piece to show off and kind of just explain to a future employer that I took this project from concept to finish, and I worked with the client on a professional level.